say kill him. I really do.
You.
Okay.
Hindi sa buhay, minsan lang dito sa Islam.
Even if I did save him.
Did